Two girls in the cut, and I don't know what to do. I fell in love with you. Two girls in the cut, which one to choose? I fell in love with you. Two girls in the cut, I don't know who to choose.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is that boy Rowdy Ren, and I told myself that I was not gonna come to the track, but here I am at the track. I'm really hoping for the best. I just got here and I don't have that much time before the sun goes down, so I'm gonna try to see if I can set up as fast as I can. I got home from work today and I was like, nah, I'm not going. I'm not going. It's gonna take me too long to get there. It takes me too long to get home from work to begin with. It takes me an hour to get home from work. And this is an hour away from my apartment. I'm an hour away from home, both ways. Yeah, if I'm shaking, ignore it, please. I ended up changing my mind last minute. I brought out my stuff because I know myself. I knew this was gonna happen. I did leave my tires at home. I got the welds still just sitting in the crib. I didn't post that other video, but I was trying to change my wheels out and my lug nuts are stuck. They're all stuck. They're all swollen. Can't get them off. I bought an extractor, but I don't want to use the extractor. Just like a last resort type of thing. I seen somebody use a what's it called, a 22, 23, and have impact wrench, and it worked. This is not on securely. Couple Mustangs out here, couple Corvettes. I did just meet a nice gentleman with his Mustang. He has a 2020 Mustang 10R80, and I told him, I was like, yeah, dude, even though you're stock, those things are still dirty. I've had nothing but problems with those. Stay away from me. Take a lap, see what's out here. It's Honda right here, massive blower. Well, intake. We got a couple more Mustangs over here. I don't know who the owners of these are. Very nice. Now the thing is, I don't know if any of these guys are like stock, not stock, or anything like that. Nice yellow. Or the Mustang. Tires don't look that big. Let's see what they are though. Because they could just be performance tires and they're not big. Supra. Nice Supra. Man, I went in the Supra so bad, couldn't afford it. Got a Mustang Q50 on the tire. Mustang lined up over there. Crazy burnout. Do downshift or what? Got another Stang. Let's see what this guy talking about. Alright, y'all, this is enough for watching the races for right now. I really want to go see what mine's gonna do. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared of that car. I don't have the tires, and I respect the power that it makes. It should be somewhere around 700, 650, 600 wheel, somewhere around that. This is my fastest car. Never had a car that fast. Don't really know what to expect. I'm kind of scared. So I'm gonna take it easy. I'm not gonna like stab the throttle. So I don't feel like, you know, going off the road. So yeah, let's see what we can get ourselves into. All right, y'all, I just did my first race with the car versus a Supra. I'm not gonna lie, I wanted, like, you know, I won. I wanted to be in it like, let's go, you know, all that. Cause I didn't do a real pull till today, and that still wasn't even a full pull. That was like, I'll say a good 60 to 70%. I took off, I felt it, I was like, oh, let me chill out. And then I got back into it, and it just kept pulling and pulling. That was crazy. So now I got the car just waiting. I'm letting the car get a little break. I got the hood open, letting the air out a little bit so we can cool down before I do another pass. I don't want to do no more than like 4 passes today. I was really only coming for 2. So I got this open, letting it breathe a little bit, checking everything in here, making sure everything's good. We're looking good so far, so I'm gonna just let it chill for now. And then I'll get back to you. I'm gonna throw the next race up on the screen. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the races. I met a lot of people today. I went around, I mingled, I met some fast cars, raced that guy, didn't race him, but he's full boat on. Everybody out here was cool. Everything was nice, everything was safe. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Stay tuned for next time. Until next time, guys, this is that boy Roddy Red, and I'm gone. Peace.